Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a Father's Day special. And who better to have in my Father's Day special than my firstborn son, Sean. My other son, Danny, is not here today. I'm sure he would love to be in the video too. So today we're going to go for a ride on the mini bike. And I got a really cool Father's Day gift.
The GoPro Hero 10.
GoPro Hero 10, right? My Hero 4. Out the window, right? So super cool image stabilization. So if we get the mini bike going, maybe you follow me around on the Suron.
Yeah.
We see what kind of cool video we make. So let's check that out. All right, Father's Day special.
That's right.
Mini bike basically ready to go. I don't know what you just did.
I'm showing him I'm on the Suron.
So we're just gonna do a lap.
Yeah.
The new GoPro 10. Riding like I did when I was 10.
Nice.
Yeah, so we're gonna wrap this thing up until my new throttle cable comes in. So the old cable broke. I took an old, I don't know what, I think maybe old 70s YZ125 cable. So to mount that cable, I had to make a little temporary bracket, which will come off as soon as I get the original cable back out in the original spot. And I've got to try to find an old seat cover original to the bike. Somebody put a lot of time and care into making this one, but I'd like to find an old one and just give the bike its original look back. So in any case, I'm leaving it the way that it is. I might clean the paint up a little bit, and it will soon have a home, probably over there next to the Z50 where my BMW cases are. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and subscribe. Most of my viewers aren't subscribed. Would appreciate it if you like my content. Please subscribe. Thanks.